Amazon DynamoDB, hands-on demo. Step 1. Create a table. In this step, you create a music table in Amazon DynamoDB. The table has the following details. Partition key, artist. Sort key, song, title. To create a new music table using the DynamoDB console. Sign in to the AWS Management Console and open the DynamoDB console at https://console.aws.amazon.com/dynamod/. In the navigation pane on the left side of the console, choose Dashboard. On the right side of the console, choose Create Table. Enter the table details as follows. For the table name, enter music. For the partition key, enter artist. Enter song title as the sort key. Leave default settings selected. Choose Create to create the table. Once the table is in active status, it's considered best practice to enable point-in-time recovery for DynamoDB on the table by performing the following steps. Click the table name to open the table. Click Backups. Click the Edit button in the point-in-time recovery section. Click the checkbox to turn on point-in-time recovery, then click the Save Changes button. Follow these steps to write data to the music table using the DynamoDB console. In the navigation pane on the left side of the console, choose Tables. In the table list, choose the music table. Select Explore Table Items. In the Items view, choose Create Item. Choose Add New Attribute, and then choose Number. Name the field Awards. Repeat this process to create an album title of type string. Enter the following values for your item. For artist, enter No One You Know as the value. For song title, enter Call Me Today. For album title, enter Somewhat Famous. For awards, enter 1. Choose Create Item. Repeat this process and create another item with the following values. For artist, enter Acme Band. For song title, enter Happy Day. For album title, enter Songs About Life. For awards, enter 10. Do this one more time to create another item with the same artist as the previous step, but different values for the other attributes. For artist, enter Acme Band. For song title, enter Party QL Rocks. For album title, enter another album title. For awards, enter 8. Step 3. Read data from a table. In the navigation pane on the left side of the console, choose Tables. Choose the music table from the table list. Select the Explore Table items. On the Items tab, view the list of items stored in the table, sorted by artist and song title. The first item in the list is the one with the artist Acme Band and the song title Happy Day. Step 4. Update data in a table. In the navigation pane on the left side of the console, choose Tables. Choose the music table from the table list. Choose View Items. Choose the item whose artist value is Acme Band and song title value is Happy Day. Update the album title value to updated album title, and then choose Save. Step 5. Query data in a table. In the navigation pane on the left side of the console, choose Tables. Choose the music table from the table list. Choose View Items. Choose Query. For partition key, enter Acme Band, and then choose Run. Step 6. Create a global secondary index. In the navigation pane on the left side of the console, choose Tables. Choose the music table from the table list. Choose the Indexes tab for the music table. Choose Create Index. For the partition key, enter album title. For index name, enter album title index. Leave the other settings on their default values and choose Create Index. Step 7. Query the global secondary index. In the navigation pane on the left side of the console, choose Tables. Choose the music table from the table list. Select the View Items. Choose Query. In the drop-down list under Query, choose Album Title Index. For album title, enter Somewhat Famous, and then choose Run. Step 8. Clean up resources. In the navigation pane on the left side of the console, choose Tables. Choose the music table from the table list. Choose the Indexes tab for the music table. Choose Delete Table. Thanks for watching.